I've made so many donut recipes which turn out awesome and delicious, but this specific recipe you have to try out because the donut turns out very cakey, delicious, and fluffy. Into your mixing bowl, you're going to add in some lukewarm milk, and I have half a cup. Then next you're going to add in some instant yeast, which is going to make the donuts very soft and fluffy. Next, add in some sugar, which is going to add in sweetness. And using a spoon or a fork, you're going to stir in the sugar. Then next, you're going to crack in 1 egg. Next, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is going to balance the sweetness of the donuts. And the key ingredient is vanilla essence, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to the donuts. So I'm going to eyeball and add in a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Add in 15 grams of milk powder, and this is going to make the donuts very creamy. Mix in, and then you're going to gradually add in your all-purpose flour as you stir in until a dough is formed. The all-purpose flour is going to provide structure to the donuts. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are fully combined. If you notice that your dough is a little bit sticky, just add in a tablespoon of milk at a time and knead until you have a soft dough which is not sticky. And if it's too sticky, sprinkle in with some flour and knead until the dough is soft. Now that I have a shaggy dough, I'm going to go in with my hands and knead for around 2 to 3 minutes until the dough is soft and elastic. After 2 minutes, you're going to add in some margarine or softened butter, which is going to make the donuts very soft and fluffy once done frying. Fold in the dough into the margarine and knead for around 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to be a little bit messy when kneading in the margarine into the dough, but after around a minute or so, you'll notice that the margarine absorbs into the dough, or it gets fully combined into the dough. This is after 3 minutes, and you'll notice that the dough is not sticky at all and the margarine is fully combined. The dough is soft and elastic, as you can see. So I'm going to tuck in the bottom just like this. Place the dough back in the bowl. Cover with a cling film. Keep this in a warm area in your kitchen and let the dough rest for around an hour until doubled up in size. This is after 1 hour and my dough has doubled up in size, as you can see. And for this recipe, you need some castor sugar, anything that is round, some kitchen paper towels and a plate, and some extra flour for dusting our working surface. So I'm going to place my plate aside, my castor sugar, and then I'm going to transfer my dough on my countertop. So I'm going to punch in the middle to remove the excess air in the dough. Add in some flour. Knead for around a minute. The dough has turned out perfect, as you can see. It's very soft. So I'm going to make some very soft and fluffy donuts. Once done, I'm going to spread some more flour to my countertop. Tuck my dough in the middle so that I can have a smooth top. Use a rolling pin and roll out my dough into 1/2 inch. When the dough is well rolled out, you're going to use your cutter and cut out your donuts. And I'm going to be making some medium-sized donuts. Remove the excess dough. Just like that. Place aside. Pick my mini donuts and poke a hole in the middle, just like this. place aside. Repeat with the rest of the cut out dough. At this point, you're going to place a frying pan with some cooking oil over medium flame. Wait for around a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot. Use your thumb and make a hole. Stretch the dough a little bit, just like this. Place aside. You'll notice that the dough is doubling up in size. I have some remaining dough which I'm going to tuck in the middle and roll out to cut out some more donuts. It's been around a minute, so I'm going to check if the cooking oil is ready by inserting a skewer. Once I notice small bubbling, the oil is ready to fry my donuts. Carefully pick my donuts and place into the cooking oil gently by placing the dough on the side of your frying pan so that you don't splash oil. Avoid overcrowding because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and the donuts are going to sit in oil. Very fast, I'm going to roll out the remaining dough into half an inch. Fry for around a minute on each side or until the donuts have a very nice golden brown color. Look how gorgeous those donuts are looking. So you're going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel, and immediately you're going to drop the donuts into your caster sugar. Dust off the excess, transfer to a plate. And as you can see, the dough has doubled up in size. Once your donuts are ready, they're going to be looking so gorgeous, especially after coating the donuts with the caster sugar. They're going to be a little bit sweet, which I don't mind, and the kids are going to enjoy, yeah, because we have some sugar coating. This is how the donuts are looking on the inside, and they're soft, fluffy with a very nice cake texture. Trust me, if you try out this recipe, it's going to be mind-blowing. So I'm going to have a taste. Yummy, yummy. So good.